Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. This boat, the outside gel coat color is celestial blue. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 300 4-stroke. Here in the back you'll see the extended platform, also blue LED lighting, storage space on both sides. As we enter the boat through the walk-through transom, you'll see battery switch here on the back, live well, also a fish box. This does have the flip-up seat. It will go in and give you plenty of room for fishing here in the back. Here you're going to have tackle storage. As we make our way forward here at the helm, this boat's going to have second live well. Plenty of room here to mount your electronics. A Fusion stereo. This is digital throttle shift. Trim tabs with indicator. Anchor windlass. 12 volt for charging. This does have the Yamaha gauge system, and also it's a backup chart plotter. You're going to have a compass. What's really nice about this is the full windshield and the electronics box up top. Making our way toward the bow, you'll see a very spacious head area. As we come forward, you've got a forward seat of the console. And as you notice, the console, it is all integrated with the T-top and the undercolor celestial blue gel coat. Here in the bow, you'll have the backrest, plenty of seating, and the anchor windlass option. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.